Hi, let's turn your text into a work of art with a paint drip effect in Photoshop. Open a new canvas and type your text. I prefer this to look diagonally, so let's transform the text. Go to Edit, Transform, and select Skew. Then adjust the text. Next, let's create a paint drip effect. I've downloaded textures from texturelabs.com. To use these textures as brushes, open the texture image. Go to Edit, define brush preset, and save it. Once saved, you'll find the brush in your brush settings. Use this custom brush to add drips to your text. After completing the text and paint drips, select both layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Converting to a smart object ensures that you can edit the text later. Simply double-click the smart object icon in the layer's thumbnail to make changes. Now, let's add some color. Right-click the Smart Object layer and select Blending Options. In the menu, check Gradient Overlay and select a gradient that fits your design. You can either choose from presets, edit colors, or import your own gradient colors. To save time, I've included downloadable assets in the description. Click Import, load the gradient colors, and apply them to your text. Finally, let's enhance the design with splatter effects. Open your brush settings and select a splatter brush. Add splatters around the text for a finishing touch. Thank you for following along. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Catch you on the next video.